Good job. Now what would you like to do?
Aggies.
We had breakfast today. Good job. You put that in your basket. Now what do you want to do?
Dress.
Get dressed. Okay, let's go get our clothes. Okay, now what?
Hatchimals.
What's next?
Potty.
Go potty. And what's that one? Comb our hair.
Now it's my comb hair today. That's all. I know you. I want to see one step at a time. I know you. I walk with one step at a time. I know you. I walk with one step at me.
Indy, how old are you?
3, 1, 2.
How old is Barley?
3, 2.
3. How old are you going to turn on your birthday? Are you going to be 4?
Yes, the birthday.
Next birthday? Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. And how old is Ash?
Oh, it's not your birthday.
Nope, it's not my birthday. Do you know how old I am?
3.
3?
Yes.
Do you think I'm 3?
Yes.
I'm older than 3. What's a bigger number than 3?
You 6.
6? That's a big number. What is a bigger number than 6?
22.
22? Am I 22?
All right, guys, so we are on a mission today. We are heading to the grocery store. Nanny Ash, hi babe. Nanny Ash has got a hot date tonight, and she is making a dessert for her hot date because they're doing a barbecue. So we needed to come pick up some ingredients, and Dad thought I'd tag along because we need some stuff for the house too. So we've got all the girls. Oh, you got that cart? You got that one? Crap, they only have one. All right, Ez, what do we got so far? What do we got? Cereal? Juice? What kind of juice did we get? What kind is this?
That one.
Is it mixed berry?
Yeah, and that one.
Oh,
That
you got your applesauces. Let me see them. You got the, oh, is that your favorite cereal?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
Waffle.
Yeah, waffle crisp. Are you having fun shopping?
Yeah.
All right, so Ash is going all out for this guy. She's making him dessert. This is a first date, though. I'm kind of concerned. Ash, do we even know anything about this guy? You know he
I know
needs...
how old he is, and I know his name,
Okay, that's... Okay.
and I know his family, so I know he's a good person.
There needs to be a vetting process. I think I need to be in on this. I'm going to have to approve all future dates
Okay.
before you start making desserts. You know this, right?
Do you want to make a dating profile?
I'm going to have to. Okay, we got the most important thing, Cheetos.
When we get home.
Who's driving that car?
Look.
Marshmallows? Who's driving that car? You guys are crazy.
I have marshmallow.
Oh, you got marshmallows too. How many marshmallows did we get, Nanny Ash?
Oh,
Did we clear the shelves?
I think we cleared the shelves.
All right, what do we get next? We need to get some jam. Do you know where the jam is?
Yeah,
What kind do you want, raspberry or apricot?
apricot.
You're just like your daddy. Apricot's the best, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, girls, you gonna put it up there for daddy? Good job. Good job, Indy. Good job.
We gotta buy it now.
Okay, get the bananas. Get the applesauce. You gotta get the sausage. Oh wow, what are we getting here today? Holy cow. Applesauce, good. Jam.
With that.
That one's open.
This one's open.
We have a snack. Who opened that one? Was that you?
Me.
It was you? Did you get hungry? You opened the marshmallows?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You want one?
Yeah?
Girls,
Do you
look
like
how pretty
orange?
that is.
You like orange? Oh,
Say thank you. What did you get?
Flower.
You got your own
Smell
flowers?
it.
Let me smell it.
yellow like your sister?
Mmm, you smell it.
Want that one?
Mmm. Girls, what did you get her? That was so nice. Oh,
Lady, she's giving out free flowers.
thank you so much. That was so sweet. Thank you. Hey, can you smell it? Can you smell it? Oh, what does it smell like? What does it smell like, Pie? Do you love it? Do you want me to hold it for you?
It's
You want to smell it? Mmm, smells so good. She's got the flowers on her head. Did you get some flowers here? Did you tell that nice lady thank you?
Yeah!
Say thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you for flowers.
We are at my parents' house today, making some cupcakes. They were kind enough to let us come over and hang out. Both my parents, this is where I got my love for children. They both love children as much as me. So this is my dad and my mom. Say hi. And we're just hanging out, having a great time today. What's that puppy out there?
Just like two puppies.
There's like 2 puppies.
Hi!
She's so excited to see you. So our dog is hiding behind the couch now. So the girls are cornering it. And she's scared to death. Hi. Hi, doggy. You see her back there?
Oh, fall down.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. I hear the toy cupboard. Did they find it over here? Did you find the toys? Oh, you found the toy cupboard! Oh my goodness, what is in there? Andy, what did you find? A truck? It makes noise? What did you find, Scarlett? A monkey? What is it?
Helicopter.
A helicopter? What noise does a helicopter make? Uh-oh. Did you find a cell phone?
Yeah.
I think that's like one of Ash's first cell phones right there.
I'm making it up.
Andy, are you driving the school bus? That is packed full.
It makes noisy.
Does it make noise? Let me see. Let me see.
Whoa.
You trying to figure it out?
It's not coming out. It's not coming out.
Scarlett found a pumpkin because Halloween's your favorite, huh?
Yes.
She's gonna eat. How many do you want to eat? How many cupcakes? Yeah!
Her mouth is full. She's gonna eat a whole bunch.
You're gonna eat 4? Yeah! I want 10. No! Can I eat 4 too?
Say, dude found the snakes.
Now you got the whole other side.
How did he know they love
Yellow
snakes?
side.
Red snake and a yellow snake.
2 snakes.
I need to
You need 2?
Put that all in there.
Pardon me? We
Two
can split it in half right here. That's a long snake, huh? Just keeps going.
You want to help me do the egg?
Me.
Okay.
Me first.
Okay.
Me first.
We'll have Ezzy and then Scarlett, okay? You ready?
Let me see.
Okay, let's move your snake for a minute. Okay, here we go.
Put my.
Yep, you remember. Gotta crack it first. Keep going. Okay, now what? Good job!
You Trisha's shell.
This video comes out after we eat the cupcakes, so we're good. Okay, good job, Benji. You're next. Okay, you're next, Indy. Okay, let's move this over here so Scarlett can try. Now what? Good. We need more lessons in egg cracking. Okay, I think there's 3, right? Okay, Indy, you ready? Here's your eggie. Good. Now put your thumb in. Oh.
I do the egg.
You did an egg. There you go. Can you pour that in there? Whoa, very good. You want to do some?
Yeah. No, me.
Okay, well, I'll have a turn.
I'm putting it.
Okay. Good job. Okay, Scarlett's turn and then Indy's turn. Good. Now, now pull the 2 sides. Good job, Effie, you did it.
No,
Oh my gosh.
My turn.
Okay, Essie's turn again.
Give me it.
Okay, wait till it cracks. Did it crack? Oh, you're strong. 4 swings for 4 girls.
Everybody's got to hang on tight.
Can you press me?
Yep, we're gonna push you.
Are you ready? Set.
Go.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go,
whoa,
faster.
girls!
Faster. Faster. Want to go faster?
Yeah.
Higher? Higher?
Whoa! Are you holding on tight?
My face is all facing out.
Higher? How's that?
Whoa!
Backwards.
Want to go higher? There we go. Why is yours going backwards?
Wow!
Maybe we need to go the other way. Okay, should we go the other way? Okay, here we go.
Oh,
Scarlett's
stop!
gonna go frontwards now.
Ready?
Everybody
We're
else.
going backwards.
Oh boy! Ah, you're going backwards!
You're going frontward.
Wow!
You're silly. Should we...
Wow! Who's dizzy?
I'm Daddy.
You're dizzy?
Should we go the other way?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think of our cream cupcakes?
I need
Here's the finished one.
chocolate. I need
Put some chocolate on it.
this one or that one.
Look, you got some on yours right there.
Uh,
Did you eat it all gone? Look at that. She licked her plate clean.
no. Why is it on my...
Is it good, Scarly Buddy? Yeah.
Now what do I do?
What do you think, Ez? Ezzy ate all the chocolate off the top. Indy, what do you like?
Chocolate.
Okay, you guys, it has been an amazing day. Ashley has been with Sam, hanging out, having so much fun. It was so good to see her and have her in town. Little surprise birthday present for Ash. And they are currently at Shania Twain, living it up. I was a little upset because when I saw the set list for what she was singing, she was doing all of her hits. I was mad that I didn't go. I thought she was just going to be singing songs from her new album, and I was like, eh. And then I saw she's singing all of her hits. So can't wait to hear all about that, though. But they're having a great time. Nanny Ash came. She helped today. It was awesome. It was perfect. It's been a good day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog, and we will see you guys all next week.